Oh, hey, Bella. You ready to go on an adventure?
Michael, you always know I'm ready for an adventure, but have you ever driven one of these things before?
I have, and I'm good. Hop on.
All right. Ooh.
Guess what? It's all downhill from here.
Oh, This is an exciting adventure. Thank you for taking me on.
Oh, you know, I know you're... Wow!
That was a crazy bump.
That bump! Oh! Holiday travel. Are you beach, city, or slopes?
I mean, I'm always the slopes. I grew up in the snow, but we love the beach always. You know,
Yeah,
we love
of
the
course.
beach. What about you, Michael?
Listen, I'm here driving this snowmobile, but realistically, I'd rather be on a jet ski. I mean, I'm all about the beach.
I know, we do love the beach.
I mean, I love the beach.
Michael, what's the best present you've ever given somebody?
Oh my God, I have a friend who is Sound of Music obsessed, and I took him to Salzburg, Austria.
Wow.
And we did the full Sound of Music
To see
experience.
the whole thing. You're the best gift giver.
Do you have any holiday traditions? Are you a good cookie decorator?
Oh, a great cookie decorator. I think Gigi usually makes the cookies.
Oh, and you're the decorator.
And I'm the decorator.
I love that.
What's
Yeah.
your favorite holiday treat I can make you?
Oh my God. My sister-in-law makes this very Midwestern cake called a gooey butter cake.
I used to make those when I was younger with the, it's like 10 sticks of butter.
10 sticks of butter,
It's like,
sugar. It's the most fattening,
I love
most
it.
delicious thing in the world. I would say it's a toss-up. It's either that or my grandmother's potato pancake.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, salty and sweet. Why not have both?
me too, love it.
You know, there's so many Christmas parties coming up. I know you've got to have like a go-to dance move. What is it?
You know, I'm kind of more of the hype girl.
She's the hype master.
I'm a hype woman.
I love that. What's your favorite holiday movie? Are you a Love Actually girl?
I love Love Actually.
You're a Love
but
Actually
also,
girl.
What was that movie?
Wait.
Not Four Seasons.
The Holiday.
The Holiday.
The Holiday.
Okay,
I
so
love The Holiday.
We love The Holiday. Well, you're good with this. Which movie could you see me in?
Oh my God, let's remake Bonnie and Clyde. Oh my God, you'd be an amazing
Will you be my
Bonnie.
Clyde?
I'll be Clyde and you could be Bonnie. And we'll, you know what? And we'll drive away in a snowmobile.
Oh, I love it.
Let me ask you a question. Tell me the truth. Do you have one of those fake Instagrams?
A Finsta?
Do you?
Well,
Come on.
maybe. Maybe so, maybe not. You'll have to find out later, darling. What's your best fan story?
I was in New York and I was with Anna Wintour and this woman was waiting in line and I thought she wanted me to sign her handbag. And instead she turned around and she put her ass in my face and said, please sign my Michael Kors jeans. And Anna and I looked at each other and said, all right, why not?
Did Anna do it too?
Anna signed one
Oh my
cheek,
God.
I signed the other. What's yours?
I've, written things to be tattooed.
Wait a minute, do you have good handwriting?
I mean, I've been a cursive girl my whole life. I write all my letters in cursive.
Oh good, you can address all my Christmas cards.
Ooh, I will do that.
I love it.
Please cancel all my jobs. I'm actually Michael's new secretary now. Where are we going, by the way?
Well, you never know where there's a Michael Kors store. Of course. Have you finished your shopping yet?
Michael, I haven't started yet.
Oh God.
I know. Well, work has really gotten the best of me, but I love shopping for other people. It's my favorite thing is to make other people happy. So I just, a week before I really
You
go
love the
crazy.
rush.
I love the rush. Have you finished shopping?
I am never finished shopping. You know what? When you see something that's great, that reminds you of someone, grab it then. OMG, Bella. Special delivery
Bye.
for you. Enjoy.
Thank you, Michael.
Happy holidays.
Beautiful.
Are we supposed to be riding? We're riding. Wow! Woo! Woo!